How to use a Visa gift card online, or can you use a Visa gift card online? Well, yes, because a Visa gift card functions like a credit card. It can be used anywhere that Visa cards are accepted, including online purchases, though it will likely need to be registered online or by your phone prior to use. Before you use it, you'll have to activate it, and how you can activate your Visa gift card, I'll explain it later. But let's show you how you can use it. For example, you want to make a purchase on certain merchant, right? I'll just head into Amazon. Now what you want to do is you can go ahead and you can add items to your cart and then head into checkout. Once on the checkout, it'll ask you to enter in your payment details. Right under payment details, you want to select the option that says debit or credit card, essentially the credit card option, and then you want to fill in your gift card details like you fill in your credit card details, and there you want to enter in your name and billing address as well if it asks you to, and then you can use it easily. So this way you can use a Visa gift card online. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.